Hello.
Yes, sir.
I need to file a criminal complaint.
Okay, about what?
So on July 23rd, there was a dependency trial at the Crestview courthouse in front of Judge Jay Gontarek.
Okay.
And I emailed all the evidence I had against Barbara Williams. So I've been building a federal civil rights case against Barbara since April of 2025. And she testified under oath that she had not shorted me any of the visitation time in direct violation of the court order. But there's actually a bunch of photos of her shorting me visitation time, and then a message from her explaining exactly how much visitation time she had shorted me,
Okay.
and then a plan for maybe how we could fix that. So that shows that she knew or should have known that she testified something that was non-factual.
Okay. And have you given that information to your attorney?
Oh, I've told everybody, and they said there's nothing they think they can do. The state attorney told me that that was a violation of 837.02, and that it's the sheriff's department or law enforcement would be required to handle that, because that's a criminal matter, and that's actually not even a civil matter. Because if she was operating in an official capacity for the state of Florida and committed perjury, in an official hearing where she had sworn in to Judge Gontarek.
Yeah, but that's usually court proceedings are not handled by us.
Well, they've all told me that they can't do anything and that the sheriff's department needs to make an arrest before they can file charges. So I was like, this has been an ongoing thing with them. Oh, and I don't know if you remember Robert Robinson.
I'm sorry, I don't know if I remember what.
Robert Robinson,
Okay.
who had told me that DCF was immune from criminal prosecution. I filed a civil complaint in the U.S. District Court in Northern Florida, and apparently that DCF investigator violated federal felonies. Deprivation of rights under the color of law, and conspiracy to violate civil rights of an individual.
Okay.
And they accepted my $17.5 million civil rights complaint. So apparently they violated federal law, but not state law, which is weird.
I guess I'm trying to figure out why the state attorney's office is sending you here for a court perjury.
They said that they could not take any action until the sheriff's department or law enforcement had made an arrest.
Right, just because they prosecute
Mm-hmm.
and their cases come from law enforcement.
And they had told me that they possess no investigative.
They have stuff they can direct file on.
Mm-hmm. And I explained that to them, and they told me that was not the case.
And your attorney doesn't have anything that they can file for the
Nope.
purging and the
Nope.
court proceeding?
It's a criminal matter. Because the Florida criminal statute was violated.
I mean, there's a lot of Florida statutes that we don't directly apply. That's what I'm trying to figure out, because in court proceedings, we've never taken cases for that. Let me see if I can. If you just want to have a seat, give me a couple minutes, let me see if I can find somebody that can get us some information.
Sure thing.
I'm here for the background for my